Like almost all businesses globally, the COVID-19 virus has forced us to modify our operation for the new reality. ITW Contamination Control electronics is considered an essential critical business as classified by the Department of Homeland Security. We are able to remain open and keep critically needed products flowing. We have adjusted work schedules and in-house disinfecting protocols to ensure a safe work environment. CDC guidelines have recommended at least 70% alcohol to disinfect surfaces and reduce the spread of COVID-19. This has led to a spike in demand for isopropyl alcohol and presaturated alcohol wipes. Through the tireless effort of our employees, we have established additional supply lines of IPA, tripled the number of production lines able to run alcohol cleaners, and increased the number of shifts. While lead times may be longer than normal, we are hard at work to keep the goods flowing. We thank you for your patience and hope you stay safe and healthy throughout this crisis.